Welcome to Amazon 295, introducing 12 different types of robots, an exciting building kit that unleashes your creativity. From robots that roam land to those that glide through water, there's something for every young engineer. With 2 levels of complexity, it starts from entry-level for younger children and advances to challenge older kids' manipulative skills. And here's the best part, no batteries needed. Powered entirely by the sun. Its solar panel converts solar heat energy into electric power, driving gears that keep these robots moving smoothly. It's not just fun, it's a practical introduction to green technology. These science toys go beyond play, they support STEM education. They'll learn engineering basics, develop manual dexterity, and sharpen problem-solving skills. Plus, it boosts logical thinking, builds self-confidence, and emphasizes teamwork and collaboration. It's the perfect blend of education and entertainment.